Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode and also how to set it up. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me looks to be turned off. So let's tap on a pencil. Hotspot looks like, oh, there it is. It's actually turned on, I just couldn't see it. So it's right over here. So from here, I recommend you to hold it. This will quickly give you access to settings where you can customize how it functions. So you can change things like who can call you, who can message you, and then below that we'll also have things like restrictions for notifications, duration, schedule, and so on. So you can set it up exactly the way you want it. And once you have chosen all the settings, you can then select turn on to basically enable it from here, or you can leave it and you can turn on Do Not Disturb mode from the toggle right over here. That's assuming you're not using the schedule. Now if you're using a schedule, then once you turn on the schedule, you don't actually have to interact with this toggle right here whatsoever, unless you don't want to turn it on manually yourself. Now additionally, once you're done with it, you can disable it by tapping on it again like so. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.